Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Moving on to Kharkiv, there are some positive development in terms of what we understand is that almost all Indians have now left Kharkiv city. In nearby Pisochin is one of those safe areas that we had moved out people about now a couple of days ago. As of a few hours ago, there were less than 300 students there. I think 298 was the number our embassy put out, who are to be evacuated out westwards. We hope to complete that task by today. So with that, Pisochin and Kharkiv, hopefully in the next few hours, we should be able to clear out almost everyone. The main focus is now on Sumy. This is a little in the northeast on the border with Russia. But let me reiterate, the main challenge remains the ongoing shelling there, ongoing violence there, and the lack of transportation primarily. But even more the transportation, I think it's a problem of having a secure and safe way to get them out while they are not under threat.
युक्रेनात अडकल्ले अनेक दोन विद्यार्थी गोंयांत पावले. प्रिमांशू त्रिपाठी वास्को जाल्यार सासमोळे बायणा हांगा रावपी जेलिन वाज 2 दिसां आदीं गोंयांत पावली. दोगांनी रोमानिया हे देशाचो आलाशिरो घेतिल्लो म्हूण कळटा. युक्रेनांतल्यान भायर सरपी भुरग्यांचेर युक्रेनी सैनीक अत्याचार करतात म्हूण गोंयांत पाविल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांची माहिती.
There were like 1,000 to 2,000 Indian students. मागीर थिंगा African आहली, Arabic आहली आनी जायत Ukrainian आहली. आनी Ukrainian soldiers Indianसांक passage दिना आहले. They were only allowing Ukrainians to go. So we had to stay there in line for like more than 1 day. We were freezing, people were fainting. आनी ते Ukrainian soldiers जायते आमचे Indian भुरग्यांक मारताले.
रशियन राष्ट्रपतीन केल्ल्या दाव्या प्रमाण युक्रेनी सैनिकांनी कांय भारतीयांक ओलीस दवरल्यात.
And they are taking foreign citizens hostage, thousands of young people, students who were studying in Ukraine colleges. So for more than 1 day, they kept more than 3,000 Indian citizens at the train station in Kharkiv, and they continue keeping them there.
Bureau Report, Prudent.